This is totally the best part. Just look how creamy this looks. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rama. Today we are making sea moss gel. Sea moss is this superfood that is so good and so beneficial for our entire body, and it is so easy to make. And I am going to go ahead and show you guys today how I make my sea moss and how I use it. But if you have not subscribed yet though, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, join the family, and let's get this video started. So you can use the amount that you want to use, the quantity that you want to make. It's up to you. I am starting about 1 cup of sea moss today, as you guys can see. And the only thing you need to do at this point is just start washing and cleaning your sea moss. I put it in the water, and I am going to use some lime to clean this sea moss. And the reason I'm using lime is to get rid of the odor that comes with it, and also to just disinfect and make sure it's thoroughly clean. So once you squeeze all your lime in there, you're just gonna go ahead and start washing your sea moss. You want to make sure you clean this branch by branch. Just clean it all out and just continue cleaning until you feel like you're cleaning enough. And I did clean this 2 times, so I'm gonna put it in the second batch of water, and I'm gonna continue cleaning this, rinsing this out for the second time. And I'm going to use some lime again just to continue for my cleaning. Benefit we can get from using sea moss: it does support our gut health. It also improve the health of our thyroids, help us with weight management. It will also help in some chronic conditions that you may have, like arthritis, joint pain, things like that. It does help improve it. It also helps us clean up our body from heavy metal that we might be storing in there, like maybe mercury or things in that same nature. Keep watching though, because I want to show you guys both ways that I use sea moss for my health and also for my hair. Stay tuned. So guys, after about few minutes of cleaning this, I believe my sea moss is completely clean, and I am going to transfer it to my next batch of water, which is to soak my sea moss. I am going to squeeze some more lime into the water and just let this sea moss soak and get soft. So I left mine to soak for about 5 hours, and it was enough for me. Some people may leave it overnight. It just depends on the type of sea moss that you have to. Mine didn't really take that much to soak. As you can see, at this point it was literally almost like melting already. So as you can see, it became completely white and transparent, and that's when you know your sea moss is ready to be blended. So at this point you can transfer your sea moss into your blender, and you're gonna add water about the same level of your sea moss, and you're gonna start blending it until you get that smooth, very creamy consistency. And just look at this gel, guys. It is so creamy, so beautiful. I tasted it. It has no taste at all, and that's exactly what I prefer. If you want some kind of a taste into it, you can include your own taste, or maybe the lime that you wash it with. If you want the kind of like the lime taste with it, you can, but I personally prefer mine to be tasteless. At this point, you just need a jar with a lid to store your sea moss, and it is ready to be used. And this does need to go inside your refrigerator to be stored. Okay guys, so this sea moss is ready to be used, and I am going to go ahead and show you guys 2 ways that I use my sea moss. I do use my sea moss by eating it, and I also use my sea moss on my hair as well. Let's go ahead and start with how I use my sea moss on my hair. The best way I include sea moss in my hair regimen is to use it on my deep conditioner. Let me go ahead and show you guys how I prepare one of my favorite deep conditioner. Moringa powder, coconut cream. I add 2 scoops of that. One scoop of aloe vera gel, and this is my sea moss. I just add 1 spoon of my sea moss, and then you just go ahead and blend well until all of them are mixed together. And I transferred this on my little container here, and I am going to go ahead and add some conditioner. You can add conditioner of your choice. I add 1 scoop of a conditioner, and I am adding my carrot and papaya oil. And you're just gonna mix it well, and that is it for this deep conditioner. You go ahead and apply this on your hair, leave it for like an hour minimum, and rinse it out. This deep conditioning will strengthen your hair, just leave your hair soft and manageable. It will give more elasticity to your hair, which will help you retain length. And this will also stop breakage, it will stop hair balding, it will stop hair thinning, and it will help you grow fuller, thicker, longer hair at no time. And this is how I incorporate sea moss on my hair regimen. Let's go ahead and move on how I use sea moss on my drink. So in a blender, I will add my fruit. It can be fresh or frozen. I add my water. I add my protein shake. You can add more veggies, whatever you want to add on your smoothie is up to you. And then I go ahead and add my sea moss. I add about 1 tablespoon, which is maybe 2 tablespoons because that's quite a large amount, and I add it to my mix. Just blend well, and voila, the drink is ready to be enjoyed. So guys, I would like if you can go down below the comment and leave me a comment on how you use your sea moss. If you have tried it before, what are the different ways that you use your sea moss? I would really appreciate to read your comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Join the family. It's a great way to help my channel grow. Leave me a thumbs up. It does help my videos. Share with your friends and family, guys. Until next time, I will see you on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.